ready to see what I have? So this is the Dyson Airwrap. It's the brand new one. It just launched this week. So I got a little bit of a demonstration probably like 2 weeks ago. First I thought it looked magnetic, and then I'm like, hair's not magnetic. And then I thought, is this magical? Is it magic? Like, are you using magic? And I was like, well, that's not possible either. So I just sat there like, and then they explained to me what it is and how it worked. And I was like, I feel like Dyson is the Apple of the beauty industry. It's like every time they drop a new product, I feel like there's a new iPhone or something. Okay, so my hair is soaking wet because I'm actually gonna explain from beginning to end after you get out of the shower how to use this tool. And I'm gonna demonstrate all of the attachments for you guys. So there are 3 kits that you can purchase. There is the Smooth and Control, which is for your thick, curly, unruly hair, your Afro-American hair, your Brazilian hair, your Indian hair, any texture that's from medium to extremely thick, coarse, and curly. You guys are gonna stick to the Smooth and Control kit. And then the second kit that you can purchase is the Volume and Shape kit. The Volume and Shape kit is for those of you that have the baby fine hair, the limp hair, the hair that just kind of hangs out. So anyone that has texture of medium fine to fine hair and like baby powder dust hair, you guys can stick to the Shape and Volume. Sorry, the Volume and Shape kit. So those are the 2 kits. And then the third kit is the full kit that you can purchase. So it has both kits combined. That kit is best for people that have combination hair. So I have a lot of clients that are like mixed, and they'll have literally like silky fine hair around their hairline and then a big old patch of like afro hair in their crown. So this kit is perfect for those of you that have that combination hair. It's also a really good to purchase the full kit if you're kind enough to share your Dyson. I'm not sharing mine with anybody, but if you're a kind soul and you are willing to share your Dyson tools with family members, and you know there's a bunch of people in your house and you all have different textures of hair, the full kit is for you because everyone can kind of pick and choose the tools that they need. So I'm going to be unboxing the Smooth and Control kit, even though I'm going to show you all the attachments from all of the kits. I'm going to unbox this one so that you guys can get an idea of what each kit kind of looks like when it comes into the mail. And it comes in this gorgeous leather kit, and you're going to open it up. Oh, what is this? All right, so I don't know what this mat is. I don't know if that's just packaging or if there's a purpose for that. We will find out. And then shh, you have to stay quiet, mommy's working. Okay, so in the Smooth and Control kit, you're gonna get your firm smoothing brush, and then you're gonna get 2 30mm barrels. One is going counterclockwise and one is going clockwise. And then you get 2 40mm barrels. Again, one is going clockwise and the other one is going counterclockwise. And then you're going to get a pre-styler. So this is similar to your Dyson blow dryer, but obviously very different. And then you get the actual machine. So this is the actual machine, and that is what controls your heat temperature. So now in your Volume and Shape kit, you're gonna get your pre-styler. You're gonna get 2 of the 30mm barrels, one going clockwise, one going counterclockwise. The round brush attachment. So this attachment does not rotate. It's not like one of those rotating blow dryers, which I assumed it would be, but it's not. You're also gonna get one of these brushes. Brush that comes in the Volume and Shape kit and the brush that comes in the Smooth and Control kit are both very, very different. So the one that you get for the finer hair has the bristles are a lot bendier, they're a lot softer, they're a lot more gentle on fine hair, and they also have these little balls on the end. Thicker hair, the bristles are like way harder. They almost like, they don't really bend until you really get in there. So they're a lot firmer, and then they don't have the little balls on the end. So it's a lot like firmer, and it'll really do the job for the thick, unruly hair. So that's the difference between the brushes in both kits, okay? So I haven't plugged it in yet, but I'm just gonna show you guys what each of these are. So this is your 3 air pressure settings, and these are your heat settings, and this is your cool blast. So for the cool blast, you just slide it up, and it doesn't stay up. You have to hold it up the entire time you want cold air to come out. This is your vent that you can slide off, and if I'm correct, yeah. So just like the new Dyson blow dryers, you can pop off the vent here, go rinse it, dry it, and you can pop it right back on here, and it slides right back up, and it is magnetic. I wonder if these are magnetic. I'm assuming they're magnetic because it's Dyson. Yeah, I think they are. Okay. Are they? All of the attachments go on the same way. You literally just pop it on, and that's it. It's on there. There's no coming off. To take it off, you slide it down, unlock, and it pops off right away. So pop it on, easy breezy, slide it down, done. So each of the barrels has 6 vents on them, and the vents are slanted and curved. So that's what's causing the air to go in a spiral and create a bit of a vortex on this barrel. So that's why it wraps around without you having to actually touch and like physically wrap your hair around it. When I first saw it, I was like, what did I just see? And then you still have the same V9 digital motor from the blow dryers in play here. So it's a super strong motor that's gonna be in your wand. So on this half of my head, I'm gonna demonstrate both of the curling wands. And then on this side of my head, I'm going to demonstrate the round brush and the smoothing brush. So that way you guys can see all of them at play. Before you start curling your hair, you're gonna wanna remove about 50 to 85% of the moisture from your hair. And that's when the pre-styler comes in. So this is what I'm gonna use to remove the majority of the moisture from my hair because it is soaking wet right now. So here we go. And I'm grabbing a 1-inch section because my hair is so thick and coarse and curly. If your hair is finer, you can probably go in with a bigger section. And then you're gonna hold the section straight out, and about 10 centimeters from the ends, you're going to wrap this around. And then you're going to simply just roll it closer to your scalp, and that's it. And you're just gonna hold it in place for about 10 seconds. So you're gonna do your cold blast for 5 seconds. And then you're gonna turn it off and release. Woo. Not bad. Not bad for 15 seconds. Once it's wrapped and literally pulling, it's on there solid, and that's just from air alone. So now I'm gonna do my cool blast, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna release. Okay, so all of my little curls are done. So now I'm gonna do these, and I'm gonna do these back away from my face. This is still a little hot to touch, so you wanna pop it off using this little grip here. So I'm just gonna unlock, and I'm gonna pop it off. And I'm gonna pop on the one that goes back away from your face. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my 1-inch section, and I'm gonna hold it out. And this one, because it's going away from my face, instead of putting it forward, I'm gonna put it on the back of the section, okay? So we're just gonna put it here. Okay, and then you let go, and you bring it closer to your face. All the baby hairs back, and that's it. So you're gonna hold it for 10 seconds. And we're gonna blast it with a cold shot for 5 seconds. And then we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna slide it out. Whew. That is a serious curl. Look at that. What's going on? Oh my god, that's beautiful. We're just gonna grab that and place it on top. And just with my logic as a hairdresser, I would recommend using this with the bristles towards your scalp, okay? Those of you that want the volume with the finer hair, you're gonna use this attachment with the red nibs on it, and you're gonna wanna use it outwards. So you're gonna wanna have the bristles facing outwards to get that volume, okay? We're gonna blow dry mine inwards because we're trying to smooth out all the cray. Hold the end and create like my tension with it, and very slowly move it down my hair. So it's definitely not giving me like flat iron straight, pin straight smooth hair, but it is giving me like a below dried straight finish. So this is the pin straight that we get with this nozzle. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys like a quick little trick after your hair has been smooth and you want like that curved kind of look on the ends. What you can do is you can take one of the barrels, pop it on. Okay, so you're just gonna like hold the ends in place for a few minutes. Okay, blast it with the cold air. All right, and look, you get your little blow dry finish. See, nice, right? Okay, so you see how we have like our little bouncy ribbon curls happening here. This is like your pretty girl hair. If you want something a little bit more like laid back and beachy, I'm gonna show you how to get it with this. So we're gonna go in upside down and you're gonna manually wrap it. And as you wrap it, you're twisting it. Remember with a beach wave, you always give it a little bit of a twist. So I'm gonna hold it for 10 seconds. And at the end of the 10 seconds, I'm gonna take the end and I'm just gonna tap it. And now we're gonna give it a cool blast for 5 seconds. Turn it off and release. Yo, beach wave. Cute? I think so. I think that's super cute. This is your big bouncy Beyonce typical pretty girl bouncy curl. And then on this side you have your like more relaxed, funky, effortless beach wave vibe. So now, last but not least, we're going to use the final attachment, and that is the round brush, okay? So I'm going to quickly unlock this, and grabbing this nozzle, I'm gonna pop it off. Just quickly attach our round brush. We're going to now round brush my hair. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's because I'm a hairdresser and I'm like, this isn't round brushing. This is not the art of round brushing. I know this tool may piss off a lot of like old school hairdressers, but it is what it is, y'all. Move with the times. Unbrush my hair. We're gonna go in. It's definitely not something you'll get on the first try. Or maybe it's because I'm so used to like rotating my round brush with my blow dryer. Okay, let's see, maybe if I rotate it. Okay, rotating it seems to be working, okay. Okay, that works. Okay, so it's working if you like rotate it a little. Oh my god, that's like your perfect little blow dry. Very pretty. Okay, we're gonna do that again. This time I'm gonna rotate it because that seems to be working. Okay, I think I found my technique. So I'm holding the nozzle and I'm rotating it and like pulling on it slowly down the hair down. Okay. Freaking nice. Doing that and then holding it and then rolling it down slowly, and then when I get towards the end I'm just wrapping it And I'm holding this piece to just drag it down slowly, and I'm just rotating it a little bit and dragging it down to get that blow dry finish. How's it looking? Not bad. So some final thoughts on this product. Okay, it's not something that I think you'll get in the first shot, but once you do get the hang of it, it's extremely easy. One thing that I did notice is that it's way faster for me to just use this as opposed to smoothing my hair out with a blow dryer and then going back in with the wand. And I am noticing that my curls are a lot bouncier, airy, light, and like fluffy because it is curling my hair with air as opposed to me clamping it down between two iron rods on a curling iron, okay? It is using a lot less heat on my hair. It's using more air, and for some reason, it's not making it frizzy. I don't know why. It might be the pressure of the air. It's mind-boggling to me. But the shine level is definitely 100. Like you can see, the shine is top-notch. Each kit costs $499 USD. And then if you get the full entire kit that has everything in it, I believe that one is around $550 USD. So many of you asked me to choose between the Dyson blow dryer and the Airwrap. That's like asking me, should I buy a pair of shoes or this dress? You need both for the outfit. It's complete different questions because it's complete different tools. So stop asking me that question. It doesn't make any sense, guys. Come on, like, you can't compare this to a blow dryer, okay? It's not a blow dryer. This is a styler. It's a full styling system. You have to decide on what your daily routine is. Like for me, I need both because this doesn't have a diffuser attachment and my blow dryer has a diffuser. So I diffuse my hair curly all the time. So I still need my blow dryer. And I still, you know, have so many blow drying techniques that I can't do with this. So I would still hold on to my blow dryer. And this is something that would probably most likely replace my wand or my curling iron. But will it replace my blow dryer? No. So I hope that answers your question a little bit. Okay, so this is a total like first world problem. It really isn't that big of a deal, but if I had to choose something that was not ideal in this machine, it's the fact that every time I want to change the direction that I'm curling my hair, I have to change the nozzle that I'm using. Because most of the time when I'm curling my hair, I like to do one piece back, one piece forward, one piece back, one piece forward. So literally after each section, I would have to change the nozzle, take it off, change it again. That's like the only downside that I can think of, but at the end of the day, it takes less than a millisecond to change your nozzle, so it isn't the hugest deal. Like I said, it's a total first world problem, but you know, that's not something that I have to do with the rest of my tools. I'm over the 3-month hump. I'm like 4 months in, so my energy levels are like back up. So I'm going to be posting regularly on my YouTube channel again. So make sure you guys subscribe because I'm going to be posting probably once a week. And make sure you give this video a like because this was bomb. I will see you guys next time.